Good morning everyone. Today we'll start how to draft the short sleeves. Okay, for the short sleeves, what and all measurements required. Okay, sleeve length and sleeve round as well as arm round. Okay, arm round depends upon your chest. These three values we need. Sleeve length here, short sleeve. Sleeve length is 5 inches. I am taking. Sleeve round is 11 inches and front arm and back arm we need to check it. For this one, this is your body, right? This is your body. For this body we need to check front arm as well as back arm, and back arm is 9.25. Front arm is 9.5 inches and back arm is 9.25 inches. This is 9.5 inches and 9.25 inches. Okay, this is including margin. How to draft it, let's see. For this, take your regular sleeves and sleeve length is 5 inches. Whatever the sleeve length is there, sleeve length plus 1 inch extra. Now same shape you have to draft it. This is on the armfold side. Whatever the shape is there, same we have to draft it now. Done. Next, from here take your full length plus 1. Whatever the full length is there, full length plus 1. Here the sleeve length is 5 inches. 5 plus 1, 6 inches. 6 inches, draw one straight line. And now we should mark the arm. Back arm is 9.25 inches. Here we are getting 9.25 inches. And the front arm is 9.5 inches. This is back and this is front. Now mark the center of these two. Okay. This is your final marking. From this, take margin inside. From here, 1 inch margin. And sleeve round. Here the sleeve round is 11 inches. 11 means 5.5 inch. Plus 1 inch margin. Join these two. Okay. This is the short sleeve drafting. Done. Now let's see how to attach the sleeves. For sleeve attachment, see, this is right side of the block and right side of the sleeve, place like this. Okay, this is front part and this is also front block. Place like this and stitch for ½ inch. See, then you will be getting sleeve like this. Perfect.